Hello, Tim from vMix here, and we're looking at the Yuan PD570 Pro 4K on this episode of Will It Work with vMix? The answer may shock you, but it really shouldn't. So let's get to it. Does vMix support the Yuan PD570 Pro 4K? Yes. The Yuan PD570 Pro 4K, which I'm going to start calling the Yuan 570, is a USB 3 capture device that allows you to capture 4K video sources. It's just a matter of plugging in your 4K or lower resolution source in one end via HDMI, and then plugging in a USB cable into your computer from the other end. Then you can add it into your vMix production and start using the video source. Now, it's not a will it work with vMix video without actually using the product. So we've connected up this DVX200 4K camera and set the output to 4K 2997 via HDMI, and then plugged it into the Yuan PD570. And then we've got it going into the studio PC via USB 3. Then I've added it into vMix, and now I'm recording this tutorial in it in glorious 4K 29.97. Now, in order to use this device for 4K, just remember that when adding the input, to select NV12 as the video type. Now, as I mentioned before, these devices will also support lower resolutions such as 720 and 1080, and support up to 60p at these lower resolutions. We use the Yuan USB 3 capture devices when we travel for trade shows or doing video productions while we're overseas. We'll leave them on all day and we don't have any problems with them. So they're really great quality and they're super robust as well. They're a good option to consider if you're in the market for an external USB capture device for your video production. Having a USB 3 capture device is really handy to have around just in case you have any sort of issues with internal cards or decide you wanted to add an extra camera but you don't have enough connectors in your card or on your other USB 3. So thanks for joining us today on this episode of Will It Work with vMix, or WILV. We test a lot of different hardware here at vMix just to make sure that our users get the best experience, and we only include equipment on our huge list if it passes our tests. Now, if you want to see what capture devices, cameras, and controllers work best with vMix, just head to vmix.com and go to the supported hardware page. If you have any questions about vMix, send us an email via vmix.com, as it's a whole lot easier answering technical questions via email as opposed to YouTube comments. So thanks for watching, and we will see you later.
Thanks for watching. Click to watch another exciting vMix video or head to vmix.com for a free 60-day trial. See you later.